everyone, and welcome to the channel. My name's Jene, and today we have an unbagging from Diamond Penz. Stay tuned. On this channel we do full post reviews, tips and tricks, recommendations, unboxings, and unbaggings just like this one. So let's jump over to that video. Again, a big welcome to everyone, and this is the bag. This is the bag. So last week I went on to Diamond Penz Facebook group and started looking at the beautiful pins they had up for their sale. I believe it was Wednesday, and I went ahead and put my name under, like, you know, a few, I think, and I also bid on the auction because the pin that they had in the auction was just gorgeous, but I thought it was blue. Nevertheless, I won the pin in the auction, and the administrator, Jen, sent me a message and said, just to let you know, the picture does not do this pin any justice, and it is a really dark green. And I'm like, really? Okay, I really do like dark green, so I wasn't disappointed in any means. So I was really excited to get this package because I thought this pin was actually blue. So let's take a look and see what these two pins look like, because there are two of them in here. So excited. I love this group's pins. I really do. Hopefully I'm not cutting into anything. Okay, well, we got a felt bag. I'm not sure what that's for, but so we got pin number 1. Pin number 2. Oops. I think, yeah, that's it. All right, so I'm just going to put these off to the side right here. And curious what this is. So this came with the pins. Not sure what it is about. It says Diamond Cast. Diamond Cast is created with real gem quality diamonds that are ethnically sourced as reclaimed chips directly from diamond cutters. All diamonds in diamond casts are guaranteed conflict free. Interesting. Okay. So one of these must be diamond cast. So this is going to be interesting. But before we go into the pins, look and see what you get. So I have 2 of your regular single placers here. Then we have, what is this, a 10 placer? I can never tell. Apparently there's a number here somewhere, but I don't see a number on this one. But I'm assuming this is probably a 10 or a 12 placer. This here is, I would say, a 4 placer, although I don't see a number on this one either. This one most likely is another 4 placer. So we've got 2 of each, and then here are 2 3 placers. Then you have, I call these separator correctors, straighteners, but there are 3 of the medium-sized ones, and then there's 1 small one here. Keep that covered up because that's got exposed drill field there. So that's what comes with your pins. Now, before we actually open these up, I'm going to explain how this works. Diamond Penz is a group off of Facebook. In order for you to purchase any of these pins, you must be a member of that group. Now, it's easy to join. You may have to answer a few questions, but once you're in, you have opportunity to purchase any of the pins that they have that go up for sale. So once you're in the group, then on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays, they will post a sale. In each sale, they may have 8 to 10 pins for sale. And then if you're interested in one or all of those pins, all you need to do is click on the picture, and in the comments you would put me or me too, or you could put interested, just so that they know you're wanting to be part of that particular pin. And then at the end of the sale, which is usually around 9 o'clock, they will do a name generator. So let's say there are 13 people that have put down me or me too. Those 13 names will go into a name generator, and then that's how they pick the person to purchase that pin. So you're not actually getting the pin for free, you're getting the chance to purchase that pin. Now, because they have so many members, this is the way they do it, and I feel that it's more than fair. I'm a new member. I've been with Diamond Penz probably about 3 months, and this is actually my third purchase. And I've again went on and purchased another pin, and that should be coming in sometime in the next few days. So again, you have plenty of opportunity. There's lots of gorgeous pins that they have, and they also do an auction. So that auction, if you're looking at the pins and it says auction, then that's where you would actually bid for that pin, and one of these pins is an auction pin. So there's plenty of opportunity to get pins. Now also, they have a customs list. So again, you would go to their group page. Under announcements, I believe it is, there is a customs list that you can put your name on. Once your name is pulled into that list and you're able to order, you have, I believe, a limit of 5. So you can actually order 5 custom pins from them. And these pins, everyone, are gorgeous. They are gorgeous. So now that I've gone through all of that, we are going to take a look at, let's do this one first, pin. So this one is called Muddy Waters. So this is not the auction pin. This is the one that I put my name under. Now, let's just open this up really quick. Ooh. Oh, wow. Okay, I'm going to cut this off. There we go. Wow, that is beautiful. It's got a nice sheer glittery look to it in some of these parts, but I like the shape of it. It's unusual, but I like the way that my hand fits in there. So this is pretty. And this is called Muddy Waters. Wow, that is, I love it. It's really nice. I love this shimmering, the lighter color here. It's got a lot of shimmer to it. So let me see if I can bring it up if you can see that. Where's the camera? There it is. See that nice shimmer to it? Really pretty pin. So how this works, if you haven't seen these pins before, again, your single placer is right here, and then you can put your multi-placers, your correctors, straighteners, whatever you might want to call it, up on the tip there. And they are interchangeable, so you can easily take them out and put a different size in. And there you have it. So this is called Muddy Waters, And I really like the feel of this pen. Really nice. And one thing I like about these pins too is that you don't need a comfort grip for them. They're very comfortable. They're thicker than basic drill pins, so that makes them, I find, that makes them a lot more comfortable to use. Okay, so let's take a look at the auction pin. So this is the auction pin, and as I said before, I thought this pin was blue, but I was told it is actually green. So let's take a look. Oh wow. Oh my god. Look at, oh my god. Get off. I want to see the pin. Oh my. Can you guys see that? Holy. Oh my god. It is gorgeous. And this is definitely green. It's a dark forest green. Oh wow, that is beautiful. Look at that pen. See all the sparkles in that? Now it's got a lot of multicolored sparkles, but a lot of blue sparkles in there, so that's probably why the picture looked blue to me. But wow, this is beautiful, and it's not very heavy. It's really not that heavy. Although I'm sure I can do some damage hitting someone with it. No, I'm just kidding. But holy, this is beautiful. Wow. Okay, so this one here, I guess that's what these are for. So I don't want to ruin it. I'm afraid I'm going to ruin this if I try to put these in. Oops. Now I have some plastic tips. I wonder if I should use those instead. Well, I'm going to get something for that. But see, again, you could put your multi-placers here. I might use this just as a multi-placer pen. But wow, that is just gorgeous. And I'm thinking that this belongs to this pen. Yeah, there you go. That is beautiful. Oh, love it, love it. So guys, what do you think about these pens? Let me know down below in the comments. I'd love to find out what you think about them. I really do like this pen. Oh, and it's longer than this one. So where's my other one? Yeah, it's longer than my custom pen too. Look at that. I'm starting a collection, guys. Oh, wow. I just love these pens. So, everyone, I'm going to be posting the information down below in the description. If you're interested in taking a look at these gorgeous acrylic pens, all that information will be down below. One thing I do want to bring up is that if you're interested in acrylic pens, this store is amazing, and they are so reasonably priced. For this pen here, with shipping, it only cost me $28 Canadian. So if you're living in the States, that's probably around maybe $22 US. Not a bad price for an acrylic pen, really. It's not a bad price. And you get all of these attachments with it. So great buy for these pens. Definitely will have the information down below in the description. And we're going to go ahead and end the video. So if you like the video, give it that thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. If you didn't like the video, I'm totally okay with that. But please let me know down below in the description what you didn't like about the video. That way it helps me improve my videos in the future. Also, if you're new to the channel, a big howdy do. If you like what you see and you like what you heard, please hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you join the family. Also, don't forget to hit the bell. The bell will indicate when I've uploaded my next video. So, if this is morning for you, have a very pleasant morning. If this is afternoon for you, have an excellent rest of your afternoon. And if this is evening for you, have a very relaxing evening. Again, my name is Jene, and thank you for joining me today on the review. We'll talk again real soon. Bye, guys.